Hey everybody, we're going to practice subtracting on a number line by adding up. So whenever you're subtracting, we call the answer the difference. What you're really looking for is what's the difference between the first number and the second number? How many numbers are in between? That's the difference. So a way we can solve this is by starting at 19. We're going to end at 42. And the difference or the answer is how many numbers are in between. So the first thing we want to do is stop at a friendly number, and our friendly numbers end in 0. They're easy to add to get to. So if I'm at 19, the closest friendly number is 20. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, those are all friendly numbers. 19 is only 1 away from 20. So that took us a jump of 1 to get there. Now I've got to make it to 42. If I'm at 20, I know I can make a jump of 10 plus 10, and 20 plus 10 is 30. Now let's think, can we make another jump of 10? If I'm at 30, 10 more would be 40. I want to get to 42. Yes, I can make another jump of 10, and I'm at 40. Now, I need to reach 42. So how do I get from 40 to 42? Plus 2. To get my answer, I need to count up all of my jumps. I made a jump of 1, 10, 10, and 2. Well, 10 and 10 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. So the answer, or the difference, of 42 minus 19 equals 23.